Hi all. Let us understand how exactly Nifty closed on the weekly chart. Okay, just to talk about the support in the you know Nifty on a weekly chart. Let us see. This is how if I start connecting the low of 7,500 towards you know say low of 15,200. This is how the trend line appears right now. So whatever we do till the time we are not breaking this particular low, okay, till the time we are not breaking this particular low, we are safe. If we start breaking this low, then we can have a really major panic. The panic can come towards this zone, which can be around 15,500 to 15,600 level. So definitely we shouldn't be breaking that. We have formed a very different kind of a candle here. We had okay, this is somewhere a dark cloud cover which we formed. Then we started falling down, and at this particular place, not the previous week, the previous to previous week, we formed something called as a bullish harami pattern. But for that, we should have crossed 18,265, okay, to get some upside momentum. But we did not cross that, and right now we are exactly at the support zone, okay, which is this particular line. Suppose we do not break this recent low which we formed on the Friday, and we start moving up and start crossing above this 18,265, okay, this particular level, then the rally which we are looking at will start moving upside. Till the time we are not crossing this 18,265, we will be range bound or negative, which can bring this particular trend line to act as a support. Breaking this trend line will be a really dangerous zone, so that will create a lot of pressure on Nifty. If we are moving above 18,265, yes, we will be upside. So this is how a major thing which we can talk about on a higher time frame. Okay, till the time this trend line is secured and the Friday low is secured, we can expect some upside. Okay, just to give you a hint of it, uh, what exactly our monthly chart is showing, I just wanted to highlight. If I go to monthly time frame, you can look into this particular place. We have formed something called as a bearish engulfing pattern here. Okay, yes, a bearish engulfing pattern will become validated only. Suppose this is the candle and there's a bearish engulfing candle like this. Only if this candle low is broken, only then the bearish engulfing pattern will come into play, and then it will put pressure on the chart. But in current scenario, we have not broken this particular low yet. That means we are still safeguarding this low. But this is a monthly chart. So in this entire month, if we do not break this, then we are little safe, and then we can expect rally to take back above 18,800, and then we move forward. Suppose if we start breaking that, the only good option which we have right now is to get some support near that weekly trend line, which I had shown you, that 17,200 or so, and breaking that will really put pressure on Nifty. The only major supports which we can expect Nifty to come around is 16,800 and 15,200 or so. Okay, but really, if you want momentum to continue, we shouldn't break these last Friday low as well as the 17,200. Any of these two things we shouldn't be breaking, and then we should be crossing 18,265 to give us a better perspective in terms of taking it forward to the upside. The budget is also on the corner, say 1st of Feb. So we have around approximately around 20 days or so. So Nifty definitely should start giving you a turnaround if there's a good news on the budget and people anticipate some of the things. Else the downsides are always open. Now that we have discussed on the weekly time frame as well as the monthly time frame, let us understand what exactly will happen in terms of a intraday, which we need to look into. We'll look into the Monday trade, how exactly it's going to work out. So I'm going back to the 15-minute chart. As you all know, we had discussed how exactly Nifty is going to behave. We almost analyze the trend perfectly. We clearly told Nifty is going to fall once it is below this particular trend line, and definitely we saw that kind of a fall coming in. We also said that okay, this is the place when it has already taken support, bounce back, and now this will act as a resistance. So after resistance again it started falling down. We also said that there is a support right now. If anybody wants to really want to take a long on this place, near to this place we can go long with a say stop loss of 20-30 points. So if we see here, we did definitely rally back on a smaller way, not something a big rally. Now what we can expect is this is a trend line which is falling right now from the upside. Okay, this is a trend line which is falling right now on the upside. Now thing we need to observe is, can Nifty cross this particular zone? If it crosses this zone, then slowly we can have some consolidation and range, and then we can start moving up. Even though if we start moving up nicely, till that time we are not crossing this particular area, which is around 18,265, our range will always be within this particular zone. Okay, it can consolidate, but the overall trend will be safer till the time we are not breaking this particular line. And slowly if we can consolidate and can break above, nothing like that, it will give a good momentum for Nifty to start looking for targets of around 19,000, 20,000, and 21k. But this is on a little higher perspective. For just Monday, we look at this particular uh, trend line. Let me just zoom it. We will just look into this particular trend line. If it's taken out, we can take longs. Okay, start looking for CEs. And suppose we don't sustain for say 15-20 minutes above this particular trend line, expect you need to come back here. Then again you need to observe this place for 15-20 minutes. We start breaking down, then definitely we will start moving towards the 17,200 target. Sustaining this particular zone, expect up move again to 18,200 levels. Okay, below this particular zone, which is the 17,700 zone, 17,750 in particular, we will start going towards the 17,200. Just remember these two levels, and that should help on how exactly we can move forward in Nifty. Thank you. Hope this video helped. We covered the aspect in terms of the weekly, monthly, as well as what exactly we need to have on a Monday trade. Those who like this video, please subscribe to it. Okay, also share it with your friends and let everybody get benefited. Slow and steady, I will try to involve more of the indices as well as some good views on the stock. Okay, overall this video has prolonged right now just because I wanted to spend little more time explaining how exactly things are happening on a different time frame. Okay, thank you all and have a happy trading on Monday.